Now bring those weights into your shoulder and with resistance stretch forward. Stretch, stretch, straight. Again, 3, with intention. And let's do a big lunge forward. Inhale. Stay there. Don't lose the back foot. And lower your arms. Exhale. Inhale up. Now we have to come back. Bring the hands and come back up. Let's do it to the other side. Inhale. Let's start pressing down. Just that. Inhale. Use your wings and reach to the floor and to the side. And very nice. And again, inhale. Grow tall. And reach to both sides. Very good. One more time.